Just getting started in real estate investing. What should I do? What is happening, YouTube? It's Matt Faircloth. Thank you for watching Mentorship Monday. So today I'm hanging out one of my flips, and I thought I'd knock out a quick Mentorship Monday for you guys. So I got one from, this is from Ryan, who is actively serving our country in the military. Thank you for your service, Ryan. And he is over in Afghanistan. He's wrapping things up over there, but he's going to be coming back to the U.S. soon. And he's doing what I think a lot of people should be doing before they get started. It's what I did, and it's what a lot of you guys should do, which is get your financial house in order before you buy rental properties if you can. So he's paying off debt and getting a lot of his financial means put together. So paying off some debt and accruing some cash. And his question is, what should I do to get started, and what should I do with the cash that I have? Because he does have a little pool of cash, and I know not everybody's in this boat, but if you're getting started and you have some cash like Ryan does, I have some thoughts for you guys on what to do with the cash. Because what you could do is just go put all the money that you have into buying your first rental property. And if you're looking to do this business full time, then that's going to suck up all your equity, and it's going to be hard for you to do deals. If there's a couple different boats here, if you're looking to invest passively on the side while you still have a day job, then that's okay. You put all the money you have into put what you have you're willing to invest into a rental property, accrue some more money from your W-2 income, then buy another, rinse and repeat. Do it over again. You might have to buy turnkeys or passive assets or whatever while you do that because you don't have time. Ryan, he's getting out of the military, will have time that he can put forward into real estate. So if you guys are doing passive investments, a W-2 job, that's what you should do. If you're in Ryan's boat that you're going to be injecting some time along with your money, then my recommendation is that you don't put all your money that you have into passive cash flowing rentals, that you be willing to inject some of your time into it as well. So build a brand, get a good business. This is for Ryan now. This is aside from I've shot a lot of other videos, or right before I even get into building brands, I've shot a lot of other videos around setting goals and around things you have to do when you pick your markets and stuff like that. So I'm assuming you've got your 1, 3, and 5 year goals set, that you've got your market picked on where you want to invest. And Ryan's email said he went to ASU and has some family in Arizona and everything like that. So Ryan, if Arizona is the market you want to be in, I'm not in a position, nor do I want to be the advisor on what market you should invest in. I think there's a ton of markets in the US, and this is for you guys too. There's not one market I'm biased to or another. I am a believer in the acres of diamonds mentality, that there's acres of diamonds in your own backyard. So go where you want to go for family, for other reasons in life, and then invest there if you can. If you live in Lower Manhattan, you might not be able to invest in Lower Manhattan or in Southern California, but somewhere in the general vicinity of those areas, you can find places to invest. This is not about markets or about goals. This is just about what you should do once you get yourself set up. Now, this goes for everybody. Get yourself a brand established. Okay, that means XYZ company. My company's the DeRosa Group, so we picked that name when we first got started. And you should pick whatever name you guys want for your company. Get a logo, get a website up. So invest some money in that. That should cost you no more than $5,000 for logos, business cards, website, like a branding package for your company. If you're gonna do this thing full time, I highly recommend a branding package for your company. So do that. And then you also want to take some money and do it like a major chunk of your capital, at least maybe a third to a half of your capital, and put it into deals that you're going to be able to put it in and then get the money back out, so you can double it up and keep building your war chest for more deals. That could be a BRRRR deal. If you want to be a landlord, if you want to get into rentals and have cash flow, I highly recommend the BRRRR strategy. We talk a lot about that on my YouTube channel, a lot about that on BiggerPockets, so you should know what I'm talking about if you're following those conversations. So BRRRR is great if you're bankable, if you're a refinance. You could also look into fix and flips. If you're not bankable, by the way, if you have some cash, then look into hard money or look into other resources or private money. Check out my book, Raising Private Capital, about how to do that. So do deals, bottom line, that you can put money in and then get money back out. You can also take the other you know, 2/3 to 1/2 of your money and buy something where the money goes in, like a long-term rental, for just some seed capital to generate a couple $100 a month, because you're going to have expenses in the realm of a couple $100 a month when you first get started for things like your cell phone, your car payment, your whatever, your overhead. And when we first got started, we bought a couple of rentals, and those rentals generated just enough income to cover my just business overhead, my car, my cell phone, my, you know, whatever accounts and stuff like that. So you can invest some money in long-term capital, somewhere between 2/3 to 1/2 of your money in long-term hold stuff. But I take a little bit of money and do it into branding package and just getting started, and then some money into put it in, put it out, put it in, get it out, to generate, to keep building your war chest and your coffers. So Ryan, that's what I recommend for you. I know there's a lot of data in here, and check out my other videos, guys, on stuff like setting goals and picking market locations and everything like that, because there's too much to get into on all that. Ryan, thank you for your question. Thank you guys for watching this. Hope you guys like a little different venue than my desk in the office. Just thought I'd shoot something for you while I was out in the field today. Email your questions to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That is helpme@DeRosaGroup.com for your questions, and I'll answer them right here on the YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check us out on my website, DeRosaGroup.com, and you can hear more about what we're up to. And have a great and profitable week.